Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this set of trees as well as some pedestal pieces I got from Hobby Lobby. The 3 trees I painted completely with moss green chalk paint by Waverly. I dried those completely and then I used medium crackle by Folkart, and that I got from Amazon. I applied the crackle to all of the trees, covering them completely with that and letting that dry as well. Once that is dry, I take vintage white acrylic paint by Folkart and paint that over the crackle. And it does crackle really quick, so you'll want to make sure you get full coverage before that starts that process. I do this to all 3 of the trees. Next, I move on to the pedestal pieces. I got 2 different sizes, and I'm brushing on antique wax by Waverly, and then I blend that all in with a baby wipe. And then I just add some hot glue to the top of the pedestal pieces and place down the tree. And that is it for this quick and easy project. Thank you so much for watching.